Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the Epson L3150 and confirming it has ink and paper. This prevents setup interruptions. Next, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and choose the same network you plan to use, or prepare for Wi-Fi Direct if no router is available. Install the Epson iPrint or Epson Smart Panel app from your App Store. The app guides pairing and driver transfer. Once done, launch the app and allow permissions for location and storage, so it can detect the printer on the network. Now you'll connect the L3150 to the network. If your router supports WPS, press WPS on the router, then hold the printer's Wi-Fi button until the Wi-Fi light flashes. This pairs them automatically. If not, use the printer's control panel to enter your SSID and password via the app's guided setup. Alternatively, enable Wi-Fi Direct on the printer and join its SSID from your phone's Wi-Fi list. Make sure the app shows the printer's IP address so printing commands route correctly. Finish by sending a test print from the Epson app. Choose a small document or photo to confirm alignment and connectivity. If the print fails, restart the router, phone, and printer. Simple reboots clear many network issues. Make sure your phone and printer are on the same subnet and that firmware is current via the app's update check. If you still can't connect, switch to Wi-Fi Direct temporarily to print. Then revisit router settings or temporarily disable VPNs and security apps that might block discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.